Hello and welcome to the channel. The name is Guru, recording on Laughing Farm channel. Today we do have the Xiaomi device right over here which has passcode on it. So how to get rid of this passcode, we need to hard reset the device, which is being given the instruction right over here. So when you click on forgotten password, it will show you the theory on how to just do it on your own. So I'll be showing the tutorial on how to do it. So let's power off the device. So when you power off the device, you are going to use this key combination to get into recovery mode. So first use the volume up and the power key. Keep pressing till you see the MI logo. So when you see the MI logo, let go of the power key, then keep holding till you get into recovery mode, then release the power key. Now use the volume down and up key to scroll through the list. Now go in for factory reset and reset your device. So when you reset your device, this won't take long. Now let's head over and reboot the device. So for rebooting the device, it will take some minute to boot the device, so I'll be fast forwarding this part. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel. The name is Laughing Farm, so I'll be uploading useful content on this channel also. So now we are done hard resetting our device, so let's proceed. So now we do not have any content or screen lock on this device, so we can proceed by setting up our device. So if you do get stuck on, let's say, the Google lock screen, which means you need to provide your previous Google account to the device and you will be able to proceed. So here I don't have any Google account associated with this device, so I'll be able to set the device freely. So if you face any difficulties, you can go into Guru Boy channel and then check the full tutorial on how to get bypass on the Google account lock on the Xiaomi device. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. The name is Laughing Farm. Peace.